ide Usha Paul Sampu Prasnam Grata Jentei Napo Laban but ini warai hapo hospital ila akhlak lupa kata hapo Tarik September Hajar Apo Hapo New South Mid Miss Usha Paul Miss Usha Paul or Mrs. Usha Paul 58 years female was brought dead to the hospital at 7:40 p.m. on 8th of September 2020 and she is from Laban. Another case, Mrs. Debu Chetri, 78 years, female. Address given was Abbas Compound, Kolapati, Garihana. She was admitted on 8 September 2020, evening time, and she passed away on 9 September 2020, that is today, at about 6:20 a.m. Both cases were admitted in Nazareth Hospital. The case who was brought dead also is in Nazareth Hospital. Baru artali case kita bakla apa Nazareth Hospital. Iwe day balawanra, ibagi wanra di lakla lupa. Iwe pada iwe ki admit, but iklat pada minister. Jadi ke cause of death kejong ini Usha Paul, the cause of death of Mrs. Usha Paul, as could be gathered from the history, from the relatives, is a known case of hypertension with diabetes mellitus and on medication. Usha Paul iklat na idam kejimpang high blood pressure, kemudian hypertension, but ide case diabetes mellitus iba judi tawai man kapot, but kilong korang kilong positive yung COVID-19. Usha Paul kishim yang sample masuk dalam hospital kila declare that kishim yang sample ki test your positivity. Debu Chetri, she's a case of the cause of death, COVID-19 pneumonia with diabetic ketoacidosis, kadang-kadang complication of diabetes, sepsis, kadang infection, but hypertension.